Squarespace recently made a huge change to their product detail pages. Now, basically, before this update, what you had to do if you wanted to add sections within your product is go through like a weird product editor sort of interface. And that was at odds with how Squarespace set up their section builder everywhere else on your site. So this change has brought the product pages in line with everything else on Squarespace, and it's a game changer. Now, the one thing is that it's made a ton of my older content quite redundant, but I'm making a concerted effort to record newer stuff like this to show you what it looks like now. So let's hop in to the store. So on the site here, what we'll do first off is we'll add a simple store. So if we click on plus here, and then we go down to sell, and then we want to sell some products. We'll hit this and we'll just, have a templatized store in here. So let's hop in. And then now if we go into our Echo Vars and then we click on edit, what you'll see is you can now just add a section into the product itself. So if I want to add, let's say a video background, or I think in this case it might be a GIF, let's see. Oh no, it is a video, perfect. So I can add that straight in and suddenly you can build these really, really beautiful product detail pages. So let's say, I want to add something else in, I can pop this in. Now these layouts were virtually impossible to build on the old editor because they used classic editor, which doesn't really allow you to place things exactly like this, like flush to the side. If you wanted, you can pin this. So for instance, I'm going completely off track here, but I just want to show you what you can do. So let's imagine we pin this, right? We hit save and then we come back out. You're going down the product page, you go through here and then you've got your text pinned like this. And, you can play around with the offset, but suddenly, you can make these beautiful pages. Now, what you used to have to do for those who haven't seen it yet is you'd go into edit and then you'd find like extra sections within this. And it was such a weird way to do things. So now everything's so much easier. It opened up the ceiling of what you can actually build on your Squarespace e-commerce store. And yeah, it's just going to make everything so much better for you and your business moving forward. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.